You guys, opening my Sonny Angels right now. Oops. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, how many did I get? I went a little crazy. What is this? I'm already dropping them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. This is another happy birthday to myself. Girl, calm down. No, I'm having way too much fun. Okay, so I got the hipper, the looking behind hipper. And then I got two of the animal series version 3. So 2 of those. And then I got 2 of the animal series version 4 and 1 of the happy birthday. One of these because birthday gift. It just makes sense. So I don't know which one to start with. We'll do the birthday one first. I think that makes the most sense. I just put these nails on, so I hope they don't fly off like they did that one time. Okay. Happy birthday to Megs. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show you which one I want. I kind of just want them all. So it's like, because it's a birthday, it's a surprise. Oh, I guess I better show you. Okay. That's so close to my face. I really like, oh my gosh, you can't even see. It's kind of dark. Of course, the pink one, raspberry cake, because pink is my favorite. Love the pink one. Love the white one. Love the purple one. And then I think, yeah, this green one is mint, and mint cake is just not appealing to me. So I don't really want that one. With my look, I'll probably get it. Just kidding. It's going to be great. No matter what it is, I'm going to be happy. Oh, that's not it. Oh, here it is. It's the mint one. It's the mint one. Yep, exactly the one I didn't want. Oopsies. Well, it's what they sent me. I didn't even pick it out, so it's not even my fault. It just happened this way. But he's just a little cutie with the little candles on his head. Oh my gosh. So cutie. Whoop. Okay. I love him anyway, so it's okay. Now, I think I'm going to open a version, which one is this? A version 3, and then a version 4, and then a version 3, and then a version 4, and then we will end on the hipper. So, version 3, this one. Let's see which one I want. The reason I got these ones is because I love all of them, so I will be happy with literally any of them. But my favorites are the snake because, where are we? I love this snake because it looks like whipped cream on top of its head, and I think that's absolutely hilarious. And then the chihuahua because I love chihuahuas and dogs, and I just think they're so cute. So let's hope for one of those on this box anyway. Let's see what happens. It's kind of fun to destroy these boxes because I don't really care. Maybe I should, but I don't. Oh, it's the bunny! Oh my gosh, I think it's called, what is it called? Just Lop Ear Bunny? Lop Ear Rabbit. It's so freaking adorable. It's pink. Oh my gosh. I love this one. It's just a little friend. Oh, okay. I was kind of thinking I wanted this one. Now I'm going to open a version 4. Let's see what I want. Also, all of them are cute. How am I supposed to pick? My favorite? My favorite is the peacock. Oh my gosh, look at that. Can you even like see it? It's so close to my face. The peacock is so cute. So cute. I love that one. And then the horse I think is kind of funny looking. So I think that one's fun too. Horse or peacock? Peacock would be really cool though. I'd be really happy with the peacock. That'd be amazing. There we go. This is so fun. It's like Christmas, but it's my birthday. This is so bad. I should not be opening all of these at once because what am I going to do tomorrow? Okay. Oh, what is this? He's cutie, but what is he? Is he a gorilla? Look at his nose. What are you? Gorilla. Yes, I was right. That's so silly. He's so silly looking. Okay, whatever. He's cute. It's time for a version 4 again. Another version 4. This time, let's go for, I want to do the Chihuahua again. I'm really gonna hope for the Chihuahua again. So excited. I'm always excited, guys. I'm always excited, and I think, I think everything's cute, so there we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, wait. Wait, is this the one I wanted? Wait, what's going on? Yeah, this is the Chihuahua. I didn't even realize this is a Chihuahua. I was like, wait, what am I looking at? Oh my gosh, it's a Chihuahua. Yes. Oh my gosh, good job, Megs. Good job, Megs. You manifested that one perfectly. All right, this is the last of the animal series. This is version 4. And then I have one more, which is the hipper, looking back hipper. I'm running out of Sonny Angels to open. Okay, this time, oh, peacock again. Again, the peacock. Can you see it right there? The peacock, and then the calico cat is really cute. The lion is cute. You know what? One of those 3. Hopefully the peacock. Oh, the pink hippopotamus is cute too. That's because it's pink. I love pink. I will tell you that every single time because I just am obsessed. Again, what are the odds? Oh my gosh, I love him. Oh my gosh, he's like so bougie. So bougie. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday to myself. Having the time of my life. Last one. Okay, I think the duck is my favorite. That's the one I want, is the duck. It's so blurry, I'm sorry. The duck or the rabbit. Why is it so blurry? Or the fawn. Those are the ones I like. I think those ones are so cute. The duck just looks so silly. That's why I like it. Oh! What the? Is this a monkey? Look, there it is, looking back at you. I think it's the monkey. Oh, I mean, it looks like a monkey. It is a monkey. I love how it's like neon. What the heck? That's so cute. I love him too. Just a baby. The haul. Here's the baby haul. Mint birthday cake, lobby rabbit, peacock, gorilla, chihuahua, and monkey. Oh, I am so happy. I'm so happy, you guys. Thanks for joining me on my little birthday treat. Okay, bye.